My name is Oleksandr. I've been working in Intellias for 7 years, taking on different roles and responsibilities. I started as automation test engineer, and after numerous upskill programs, I worked as team lead, delivery coordinator, delivery manager across different projects inside Intellias. My main expertise is automotive mobility domain, and now I hold the position of content delivery operation manager, where I'm fully responsible for the end-to-end delivery of geospatial data to the customer. It involves everything from requirement analysis, data preparation, compilation, testing, up to successful go live to production. We continuously delivered standardized navigation databases to our clients that are used in million cars worldwide. Intellias has a really well-developed mobility expertise. It used to be a core part of Intellias business, and now more than 30% of our engineers work in this domain. And beyond the geospatial data department, we also work on software development for different embedded vehicle systems, smart city solutions, it's fleet hub management, supply chain management, and dozens of other projects. Actually, it's one more factor that helps me to avoid burnout. It's managing an internal Intellias projects. And one of them is IntelliMapLab. We launched in November 2023 in partnership with Lviv National University. It's an educational hub where Intellias experts share their knowledge and experience and train students that are interested in modern mapping technologies. A year ago, we launched our first training program where students learned about navigation data standards and also practice in Java, Scala, GitLab, AWS and other modern tools, contributing in our internal Intellias project, compilation from OpenStreetMap data to NDS Live, the newest navigation data standard. In June 2024, we successfully finished our first educational program, and 6 top-performing graduates received their offers to start their career at Intellias. And now all of them successfully passed probation period and are employed. I enjoy my role and domain because here I have never been bored. Automotive industry is always evolving, and new trends appear like autonomous driving, software-defined vehicles, driver behavior, etc. And I love contributing here and contributing this growth. What made me glad working on delivery management position is collaboration with our clients, because in daily basis I feel that for our clients in Intellias it's about trust, and we are confident and they are confident in what we are doing together. And the last but not the least thing I love in my role, it's being a part of Intellias mobility team and work with real professional, always focused on collective success.